with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew.
What's going on, YouTube world? Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. I hope everybody had a nice Thursday day and into your evening. This is going to be my watch list for Friday, November 3rd, 2017. As always, I'm not a financial planner or a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing. Just because I have some stocks here that I like does not mean that you should like them as well. And Thinkorswim is not sponsoring me to do any of these videos. For those new viewers, Bulls to the Wall Trading is a channel that I created about a month ago in order for me to share my experiences in the stock market and share my knowledge. I really want to encourage people to trade, and I just want to pass down anything that I know to people that are willing to put in the effort to learn how to trade. It's really not that hard, so I want to make that as simple as possible so you guys can see the potential in the stock markets. I put out a video earlier today about how to buy and sell on Thinkorswim, which is this platform that you're seeing right now. So if you are interested in buying and selling stocks on Thinkorswim, check that out. Please follow me on social media sites. My Twitter is @BullsToTheWall and Instagram is @BullsToTheWallTrading. And I put my top 3 to 4 stocks on there every morning before the market opens. So with that being said, let's go into my watch list. So I am a momentum trader, so the way that I do this is I identify the pre-market highs, previous day high, or intraday high. So what we do is we identify the high. In this case, it's $4.59. I like to draw a little resistance line there, and what we want is the price to start moving up with good volume, and we want the price to break across that line that we drew and hope that it can keep going up with momentum. So that's basically what we do for all the stocks. And that first one was BCRX. Next one is EYES. So there's that line at 137 at the daily high. MARA is the next one on the list. This one is at 247. But I would much rather get in at 250, which is where I drew this line. ICON, we drew the line at 215 because that was the high. NOG at 108, so I will draw that line. DRRX at 112, right around there. And FMSA, I could draw it at 503, but there is a previous resistance at 514. So let me see if I can get that for you so you guys can see it. This is an way old line. Let's see where that 514 is. That 514 is all the way in October 5th. The date's up here. So as you can tell from October 5th, it's never gone up to 514. It's crawling up there. So that's why I want to keep my line there at 514. All right, so let's go into my second watch list. DCIX. These are old lines that I will delete because they are not relevant anymore. So instead of 390, I'm going to draw my line at $4. Why $4? Because every whole number is a big mental resistance. AMRN 360. That was yesterday's pre-market high. YUMA at 119. JMEI at 305, but then there's also resistance at around 325. So if it breaks 305, I would probably get out around 320-ish, around that area. Or if it breaks 305 in the pre-market, then my next entry point would be at 325. ARLZ, this one's at 197. I'm going to put my line at $2 for that reason I stated a little while ago. OCN, this is a previous line. and it's now at 361. MTBC at 435. FCEL, this is an old line, and 230. GSS at 85 cents, and this one's, I'm not really too fond of this one because it's less than $1, but I like the little spike that it had, so I'm gonna just keep track of it and see what it does. This one shot up EGO to 134. Let's see if it can stay around the 130s. PYDS at $4.10. OCRX, this one was a weird one. I had this one in my pre-market scan today, but when the market opened, it just didn't really do much. It just kind of dragged out, which was weird, and it has a good volume, 14 million, so I'm not really sure what happened there. WLL at $6.56. And WFT, for this one, I would want to get in above $4 for that whole number, whole number resistance. So I'm gonna start trying to do something differently here. If you guys have been watching my videos, well, actually, I haven't been putting out recap videos anymore, but in the last couple of recap videos, you guys have probably noticed that I've missed a good opportunity on a couple of stocks that don't really move in the pre-market or don't have that much volume in the pre-market. And then when the bell opens, they just start shooting up. So usually I just trade or I focus on stocks that are moving a lot in the pre-market and that have high volume in the pre-market. And I focus solely on those. But I've noticed that I've been missing a lot of stocks that are really not moving in the pre-market and don't have that much volume, but as soon as the market opens, then they start moving a lot and then the volume starts coming in. So because I'm not focusing on those, I'm missing good opportunities. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start putting alerts on all these stocks on my watch list and just see if I can catch some of those stocks that are moving. So for example, for those of you that are not used to Thinkorswim, you can set alerts on here so your computer can make a little sound whenever the stock reaches a certain price. So let's say, for example, for WFT, if I want to be alerted when it reaches, let's say, 393, you just go to the price that you want and you right click. All right, let's see if it'll let me do it. Man, my computer is slow. Well, you should right click and it says create alert. There we go. So create alert. And it tells you the symbol. And you want to be alerted when the price is at or above 393. And here's where you notify with sound. And the sound. Dang, my computer is slow. That's the sound it would make. So I'm just going to create that. And it'll show right there. That little arrow is an alert, and if you hover over it, it'll say right there, alert on WFT. So I don't want to miss stocks that are moving up anymore. So I'm gonna try to do this with the alerts. I've done it before, but I've noticed that it's a little bit too much. You're focusing on your 3 to 4, 6 stocks, and then all of a sudden you hear an alert going off and you're scrambling trying to see which stock it is and when can you get in. So in the past it's been a lot. I'm going to give it another shot because it's really frustrating when you make a watch list and you identify stocks that have potential and then you look later on in the day and the stock that you identified as potential had an amazing day and you just missed it because it didn't meet your criteria in the morning. So I'm gonna try to follow up on all these stocks if I can. But if it becomes too much and too much of a hassle and too stressful, then I'm just gonna keep focusing on the previous way that I've been doing it, which is just coming in the morning, focus on high volume, and focus on a good chart and movement before the market, and just focus on those. So that is about it. If you're a new viewer, please go ahead and like and subscribe. If you've been watching my videos, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support, all the thumbs up, all the comments, all the new subscribers. Follow me again on social media. Twitter, it's at Bulls to the Wall. Instagram, it's at Bulls to the Wall Trading. And just be on the lookout for more videos. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And I'll answer any question that I can, or make a video if it's easier for me to explain something via video. I don't mind making a video for you guys. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you guys are learning. I hope you guys are seeing the potential. And this is easy, guys. You guys can do it. It's not that hard. You just got to put in the time, and you just got to put in the work. So have a great rest of your Thursday, and good luck tomorrow on Friday for any of those that are going to be trading. See you later, guys.